Hi guys, welcome to this video where we'll have a look at right angled triangles and naming sides based on a particular angle. Okay, so we've had a look at right angled triangles a couple of years ago when we had a look at Pythagoras' theorem. Now we're going to have a look at right angled triangles and have a look at a particular angle. So the angle that we look at in a right angled triangle is called the related angle. So the related angle is this angle here. Sometimes we call it by its vertex, sometimes we call it by its pronumeral. We might sometimes call it theta, and it's pronounced T-H-E-T-A, a Greek letter. Sometimes alpha, sometimes beta, sometimes gamma, any type of pronumeral that symbolizes that missing angle. So we know that the longest side in a right angled triangle is called the hypotenuse. This side over here is called the opposite side because it's opposite the related angle. And the last one is called the adjacent side, which is right next to the angle. So it's right next to the angle. This side here is also next to the angle, but we already know it's called the hypotenuse. Okay, so for this triangle, let's find the opposite side in relation to theta, the adjacent side, and also the hypotenuse. So the opposite side is going to be that side there. The adjacent side is going to be that one there. The hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle, which is little c, which is that side there. We can sometimes call it by its vertices, sometimes by its side lengths. So as I said before, theta, alpha, beta, gamma, they're all Greek letters and they're commonly used for naming angles. Okay, pause the video and name the opposite side, the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse in this triangle in relation to y. So the opposite side is going to be that side here, and we can call it by, okay, that vertex is capital Y, so this one will be little y, or we could call it xz. The adjacent side is going to be equal to little z, because opposite that big Z is that little z, or we could call it xy by its vertices. And the last one is the hypotenuse, which is opposite the right angle, and that one will be little x, or yz. Okay, thank you for watching the video on naming right angled triangles.